Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my last video, I was showing you that the price line of Zilliqa completed a very big bullish reversal setup, and it can be a historical bullish reversal move of Zilliqa once it will start a move from the potential reversal zone of a very big harmonic move. And that was the bullish harmonic Gardley move that Zilliqa completed on the weekly time frame. And this was the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 18th of December and in my last video with you as well. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here at the Patreon for my members. And if you would like to support me here, then you can also join me here using the link I've shared in the video's description. So let me just show you first this chart, then I'll take you to the live weekly time frame. And you can see that the price line was entered here. It was moving at 6.2 cents. You can watch the price here. And now I'm just playing the chart and you can see that the price line has started the reversal move. So far it has moved up to 7.6 cents. And the targets for this harmonic bullish reversal starting from 9.4 cents and goes to 12.21 cents. But I am expecting bigger move than this one, and I'll show you why I am expecting. Now let's take a look at the live chart. And this is the live weekly time frame chart, and this is the harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move that I was showing you, and you can see that right now we are above the buying zone. Now I'm just going to remove this pattern, and let me just show you a very strong support again that I was showing you in my previous videos as well. We had a very strong key support here at 5.2 cents, and we can see that the price line had been using this support. It is getting bounced by this support previously, like here in January 2021 and here in July 2021. And recently we had bounce here in November, at the end of November 2021. And this is the first bullish candlestick after this sequence of the bearish candlesticks. So I'm expecting that this move will be continued, because if we switch to the daily time frame, then here the Zilliqa coin also formed a down channel as well, and this was the resistance, and this was the support of the down channel on the daily time frame. And recently the price line has broken out the resistance, and it is likely to have a rejection by this resistance. If I place this trend line here, for example, where we are having this candle, the spike of the candlestick, then we can see that we have this level, this 7.2 cents has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here, and has been breaking as a support here. For several times it had been breaking as a support and resistance previously. Therefore, right now the price line is topped here, and it needs to break out this 7.2 cents resistance level in order to continue the move to the upside. Now our next target for this channel can be here approximately at 9.1 cents, and the final target can be here approximately 12 cents. That is approximately the same target which I have shared on this chart. Now let me just show you the bigger move, the bigger aspect that I am watching, which is visible on the weekly time frame. And we can see that the price line has found a support here, and we also have a resistance here as well. Like if I'm just going to connect these candlesticks, then we can see that we have several major rejections here. Like on the weekly time frame, we have one rejection here, two rejections here, and another rejection here as well. So there is a downtrend line, and it has formed a descending triangle. We have a very strong support as well. So if the price line will break out the resistance of this descending triangle, first, if the price line reaches here, that will be approximately 10 cents. And if the price line breaks it out, for example, if it will break it out from here, then our next target after this breakout will be approximately 20 cents. But the basic purpose for today's video about the Zilliqa coin was to show you this first signal that we have received, that is the breakout from this down channel. The price line was not able to break it out since after October 2021, and after several attempts, the price line has finally broke out the resistance of this down channel here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.